2016 Chevy Silverado V6. Still got the factory converters there and there. Then it winds into a single. Then it's got the dreaded third converter. Then what we did on it is put a FLOWMASTER Super 10, 2 1/4 tailpipes into 4-inch rolled tips on each side, right there. Double wall tips. There it is. That's how you dual them out. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Much better. Give it gas. Again. Sound decibels. Go ahead and back it up. Not bad at all for a V6. Let you guys hear on the inside.